Get ready to start November off right. Join me as I set up my calendar spread for the month. Let's go. Today I'm setting up my calendar for November in my A5 Filofax Finsbury planner in the beautiful mustard color. Now this layout is part of my planner bundle printable, which you can download from my shop at marianecresp.com. All the details will be in the description below, so check that out after the video. Now to start with, I'm outlining the heading for November with a pencil. I'm using the Zebra Blend 4+S pen, which includes a mechanical pencil and 4 different ink colors. For the heading, I'm keeping it very simple with a bold font style, centering it as best as I can by spacing it evenly across the top. Next, I'm going over it with a Staedtler pigment liner in 0.5, one of the many felt tip pens I have from my bullet journal days. Back in 2017, when I first got into bullet journaling, I would try out every pen I saw in setup videos. So it's quite fun to bring that experience back into my planner spreads today. To add a little bit more depth to the heading, I'm adding horizontal lines on the bold parts of each letter. Now this gives November a little bit more dimension so it doesn't look so flat. Next, on the right hand side of the spread at the top, I'm creating a cloud and rainbow theme. Now this was inspired by one of my previous setups, which was actually an idea I originally saw from Amanda Rach Lee's bullet journal setup. I'll link that video at the top of the screen if you'd like to check it out. Now I'm still using the 0.5 Staedtler pigment liner to outline the clouds and the rainbow between them. To add a shadow effect, I'm using a stippling method, just dotting the page to give the clouds a bit more of dimension so they don't look so flat. And for the rainbow, I've chosen 4 different colors from my Tombow Jewel brush pens. I'll display the exact colors and their numbers on the screen so you can see if you have them in your collection or find something similar that works for you. To deepen the color with your Tombow Jewel brush pens, you can layer over it a couple of times. This makes the color less transparent and more opaque, giving it a much richer look than just one layer. Now for this planner, I'm using 160 GSM weighted paper. Normally I use a 120 GSM, which is usually thick enough to prevent markers or highlighter ink from bleeding through or ghosting too much. Unfortunately, I'm out of 120 GSM, so I'm using 160 instead, which is about 41 pounds versus 32 pounds, which is the 120 GSM. I do have a video where I tested different paper weights, so if you're unsure which type of paper is best for you, check that out. It's linked in the description. Now that should give you a clear idea of the best paper to use with your markers and pens. To erase all the pencil marking, I'm using this cute Slendy Plus retractable eraser. To continue with the rainbow theme, I'm highlighting the days of the week in rainbow colors, which gives the page a fun pop of color. Now when it comes to planning, it's not just about productivity, adding your to-do list, appointments and events. It's also about enjoying the process of embellishing your pages. Whether, like me, you love bursts of rainbow colors, or if you're more of a minimalist who prefers 1 or 2 neutral tones, make sure it's something you enjoy creating and looking at. Now this is important for building effective habits. The more you enjoy using your planner, the more likely you'll stick with it. One of the 4 laws of behavior change, according to James Clear's book Atomic Habits, is to make it attractive. Now the other ones are to make it obvious, make it easy, and make it satisfying. So by decorating your planner in a way that brings you joy, you're making it more attractive and satisfying to use, which helps you build a consistent planning habit. Not only does this add a bit of mindfulness and self-care to your day, it also makes you more inclined to open up your planner and use it regularly. I'm using the same rainbow colors to highlight the space where I'll add the dates for the month. Then with a Uniball 1 black pen in 0.5, I'm writing the dates in the same font as the November heading. You could also use numbered stickers or even draw small circles or cute mini buntings for the dates. This is a perfect opportunity to get creative and let your artistic side shine. Now, whether you're decorating your monthly calendar, weekly spread, or any other planner pages, take the time to get creative. Pull out all your markers and your highlighters and try experimenting with something new. This helps keep that excitement and novelty in your planning routine. Sometimes when we do the same thing over and over, it's easy to feel stuck, and that can drain our motivation to use our planners effectively. So try out colors you haven't used before, or look on Pinterest for fresh font ideas. This is your chance to sit with your planner pages, bring out all your stationery, and enjoy some relaxing self-care time. So grab your washi tapes, your sticker pads, and let those creative planning juices flow. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. And if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you hit that button and click the bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. If you're looking for inspiration to start decorating or setting up your new monthly pages, click or tap the screen to check my playlist of my Plan With Me setups. And don't forget to check the description for links and details on all the items I used in today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.